Hey guys, this is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and today we're going to take a look at my Watchgang Platinum Subscription unboxing for January 2018. You guys may remember from last month, I actually received 2 Watchgang Platinum subscriptions each month. Later date, I'll go into why I do 2 and give you guys kind of the reasoning behind my madness, but for the time being, let's get this box torn open, see what it is. Don't have a whole lot of time tonight, so as I mentioned previously, I'll come back over the weekend, take a closer look at whatever I get, and see what we can find out about it. Before I get started though, guys, can you do me a favor? Down there in the right-hand corner of the screen is that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you went ahead and subscribed. If you have not already, definitely help me out. Alright, so let's get this guy open. Now, last month, my Platinum subscriptions were... oh, geez. I received the Swiss military diver, and the second one that I received, or the first one I received last month was a Sauvette, I believe. The gray and brown Sauvette. So on this guy, we have packaging material. Open it up, and we have a, I'm not even going to be able to pretend to pronounce it, TUW Rula. That's what we have. Let's dive in and take a look. Okay, so let's tear into this Watchgang Platinum subscription for January 2018 and see what we have. One thing I have to say right off the bat is the box seems a lot nicer than the watches that I received for my Watchgang Black subscription. Nice little case, black leather. Feels like cardboard underneath, but the leather feels pretty nice. And what did I get? Wow, look at that. They actually got my preferences right. It looks like we have a Pepsi bezel diver from Rula, or TUW Rula, depending on how you pronounce it, which I have yet to figure out completely. So, this guy is going to be another automatic stainless steel band, double locking clasp with micro adjustments. We shall come back and take a look at this watch over the weekend. At face value, I seem to like this watch. We'll see what I can find out about it and see what my overall thought is of it in the end. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for sticking around to take a look at this Watchgang Platinum unboxing for January 2018 with me. If you guys want to see the follow-up review of this, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down in the right-hand corner of your screen so you can be alerted when I post the follow-up review on this watch. Thank you, guys. This is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com. Have a great day.